How to fix Sparkle 1 for Mac not uninstalling. Sparkle 1 is a third-party application for Mac, so you can uninstall it using the following commands. 1. Open Terminal on your Mac. 2. Type in the following command and press enter, sudo rmrf/application/sparkle1.f/. This command will remove the Sparkle 1 application from the applications folder. 3. Type in the following command and press enter, rmrf/library/application/support/sparkle1/. This command will remove any remaining Sparkle 1 files from your user library. 4. Type in the following command and press enter, rmrf/library/preferences/com/gauchos.sparkleone.list. This command will remove the Sparkle 1 preferences file. 5. Type in the following command and press enter, rmrf/library/caches/com/gauchos.sparkleone. This command will remove any Sparkle 1 cache files. These commands will remove Sparkle 1 and any associated files from your Mac. Note that you should always be careful when using the rm command, as it can permanently delete files without any confirmation. Make sure you enter the commands correctly and double check that you're targeting the correct files and directories. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.